Hey everybody, it's Allison Horton, your Mini Genius here at Flow Mini in Winston-Salem. Today I have some exciting news for you. We have a special edition Mini inside that I want to tell you a little bit more about. Follow me for more. This is it. This is our Paddy Hopkirk limited edition Mini. It's a two-door hardtop in chili red with the iconic white roof. That is going to give a couple extra features on it and little accessories that you wouldn't find on any other Mini. There aren't many of these made, so let me show you a couple things about this one that makes it super unique. This limited edition Mini, replicating the iconic Paddy Hopkirk Mini. We have the number 37 on the side, and also a lot of the pieces on this car are replicating what he had before in honor of him. So his iconic signature is seen 3 times on this Mini. We have it once on the front stripe with his entry number, another time on the boot, and one more time on the interior dash. For more comfort inside, it's going to give you the John Cooper Works carbon black Dynamica cloth seats, along with a matching steering wheel, aluminum foot pedals, and the accented 6-speed gear selector. Not only can you find the iconic number 37 on the doors, but you can also find them etched into the side scuttles. It's completed with the look of our 17-inch track spoke black wheels and a piano black exterior on the Mini. To also replicate the sportiness of a rally car, we have the upgraded JCW aerodynamics kit. And finally, on both of the back pillars, you'll see a badge for 1964 and number 37 with Paddy Hopkirk's name on it. Thank you all for taking a look at the new limited edition Paddy Hopkirk Mini. You can schedule a test drive or your appointment today by calling or visiting our website. Again, my name is Allison Horton. I'm your Mini Genius here at Flow Mini Winston-Salem. Motor on.